snow bunny running. You already know when snow bunny running. We're gonna be getting to it. I got this wide body kit back here right now. We about to go see what's up with this wide body over here in Seattle real quick. I got my Jeep over there. I'm gonna try to get it done. I got some more pieces I need to get put on because I like it with the fenders, but it need more. So I got the other extra little wide body parts loaded up right here. You know what I'm saying? Let y'all look at them one more time. You can't really see it because I got it wrapped up, but you see that grill. You see the gist of it. It's loaded up. We got the Renegade hood. Yeah, I can't open it for y'all, man. It's all in there, man. We got that Renegade hood, man. See them there, my girl Remy mama. But yeah, we're gonna go down here to Seattle real quick, man. See if we can get a nice little video of the Jeep. Give them these wide body parts, and that's what we're gonna do today. Hopefully today I can come back and get some cars washed in the yard, and that's about it, man. Selfmade_street cars, man. Tap into your boy. Sheesh. Hey man, we got that wide body, man, but I'm up in the tent, man. I told y'all, man, that boy got me tucked away in the corner, man. So my video ain't gonna really go as planned today, but I can try to let y'all see some. Cause I'm up in here tight, but look, we on them 24s, man. And we can't see nothing. I can't crank this bitch or nothing. I'm gonna have to come back tomorrow and see if he can let me get it. You see what it is? Selfmade_street cars, man. Been like that for a minute. You see that? Ugh. 24s on there. Think I need bigger tire, but he said I'm rubbing already. We ain't really got that much room in there. We might have to change some of that shit. Cause this mug just sitting. But you see it. We got the hood and stuff over there unloaded. And it's dirty because it's been raining. Water splashing up on it. He must have just barely put this tent on there, but that's cool. He said, man, I ain't never seen nobody buy no expensive rims and haven't even drove on them yet. They just sitting up in here getting dirty. Yeah, it's cool. But this the wide body, man. I ain't gonna start if she dead. She been over here for a while. I ain't been here in a minute since the last time. So that's about all y'all gonna get, man. We got a whole paint shop around this bitch. Yeah, a little sneak peek. Whole paint shop around this bitch, get you right. My boy shit over there, yeah. Selfmade_street cars, man. You know what it is. We over here at Extreme Motorsports. Phone ringing off the hook. My boy getting that car cleaned up. Extreme Motorsports, man. Custom auto parts, vehicle wraps, painting, wheels, wide body kits. Oh yeah, let's see what he got right here. Look, people pulling in this bitch. Left, right, left, right. So look, that boy car right here, that GTR though. Yeah. This one clean. Carbon fiber lip, carbon fiber hood. A bit dirty, but that bit clean. You feel what I'm saying? Sheesh. Mom said I can't speed. With the red guts, stop playing with them. Man, look at that fitment though. He must got bags on this bitch. He got that bitch lowered. Nice little wing on it. Puerto Rico. Got that nice wing on that bitch. Oh, motherfuckers pulling over here. Let's get this slack while we here. Got that V. Stop playing with them. That mug clean too. I think he just painted this this fender. Yeah, I think he just painted this fender. Yeah, it blend in too. That's how they get down. That mug was looking real bubbly. But now it's looking now it's looking real lovely. Yeah, you feel me? Dusty because we're done raining. Well, I ain't gonna say that, it's Washington, but it's not raining now. We're dropping pollen everywhere. So welcome to Washington. You can't keep your car clean for shit here. And you got a couple GTRs over here, a couple old schools. Yeah, if you know, you know. Ooh, them BBSs though. Stop playing with them. On them BBs. Stop playing with them V-Spec. You already know we in Snow Bunny. Stop playing.
It's empty now,
right? Yep, that's the man right there with the plan, man. Extreme Motorsports, man. Y'all better tap in with him.
It's all empty, right?
Yep, it's empty. I'll be back in the morning to bring you the other ones.
All right, perfect, perfect.
Let me look at these pieces one more time for them. Watch out, don't slip on the oil. Finna get them painted up and put on. I gotta bring the lip back. That's why I gotta come back. Yeah, that's that bumper. That's that hood right there. Since they got it all the way out. Yup, them all gonna be looking like a demon. Yes, sir. Hey, man, that's all I got for y'all today, man. Selfmade _ street cars, man. I'm about to be on my way. Oh, my bad. Selfmade _ street cars, about to be on my way back. Might get y'all a little freeway footage when we get out there. If not, I'll see y'all when I see y'all. Yee! Hey, man, it's your boy Selfmade _ street cars, man. I already know, man. In the last video, man, we didn't get to see the last little clip. We didn't get to see the Jeep, so we're going back up there again today because I had to order some more wide body parts. You know what I'm saying? Because of the fenders and stuff on there, and it was cool. So I didn't get to see it because it was inside of a little big ass canopy, which I still might even put that clip in there too. You know what I'm saying? So this is days later, or should I say the next week, because I had to order more parts that had to get here real quick, which I got in the back. You know what I'm saying? We got a grill. We got some more side skirts. We got the two spoilers, the top one and the middle one. I did get the diffuser, but I'm probably not gonna use it. So as you see, I'm on my way right now to Seattle. We in the other SRT, you know what I mean? We in that boy Hoover, riding on them, you know what I mean? Traffic looking crazy, you know. Welcome to Washington. You know what I'm saying? But it's all good. So this is days later after I made that clip that I'm gonna put in here, and shit. Hopefully when I pull up today, we get to see it, and we can see those other parts that I had brought that y'all seen in that first clip. Hopefully they might have at least the hood on. Excuse me, where y'all can see that. So that's what we're doing right now, man. I'm on my way to Extreme Motorsports, giving these other parts. Hopefully the Jeep is out and not in the little thing, and we can see what it's looking like. And that way y'all can see the rims on the Jeep too, if they still got them on, if they don't got it all broke down. So we'll just see, depending on how this video goes or how it's looking, I can make a little video and give y'all a little footage. So, but we on our way there right now. So, man, like I said, just hold on, man. Y'all can see this wide body Jeep, man, on 24x12, man. Stop playing with me. Hey, I'm on my way though. I'll let you know when I get there. See? Hey, man, say, man, you already know what it is. Your boy Selfmade _ street cars, and we made it back to my second home, man. Extreme Motorsports, man. Custom auto repairs, vehicle wraps, painting, wheels, wide body kits. That's what we here for. Wide body kits and paint, you heard me? You already know what it is, man. Selfmade _ street cars, man. We brought the rest of the parts here. We finna go back there and check it out, because I don't think y'all ever seen it fully on the rims, and they got the rims on it right now. So we're gonna go check it out, but ain't none of the pieces really on, because he was really waiting on the other pieces, because I basically had to redo the whole wide body. Y'all seen it with the other flares on it, which was from Vicrass. but I wasted my money because I had them put them on and paint them and put them on, and that costed me. But when I got the other wide body parts from my boy, they didn't work out too well. It didn't really match up right, which he told me that in the beginning, and I should have just really bought them from the jump. But fuck, you know, hard head make a soft ass, you feel me? But yeah, we're gonna go back there and look at it. But let's see what he got in his parking lot. Look at this thing right here. Ooh, it's so fucking goals, man. Extreme Motorsports, man. They got everything. They work on everything. They do it for you. Yeah, go ahead and get that boy Instagram handle. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna have to get it myself. Follow him up. Sheesh. I don't know what he got going on back there, but he got it going on back there. I guess I think they just put this big old diffuser on here, if I'm not mistaken. Carbon fiber wing. Motor in the trunk, you heard me? Stop playing. Lambo, man. Let's see what it is. Stop playing with them. 305 3019s on them. Man, you know me with Fitment. I don't know how I had to make this mug look a little different. Boy rolling through in the Benz, just cops. They got the little mini truck out here. They got a Mustang out here. They probably paint on Benz, another BMW, Subi, Tesla. Oh, you already hear my bitch. You already know. See, my diffuser fucked up, so that's the only reason I might use that other diffuser, but I don't know. Yeah, you see, you already know my shit. Oh, you got my boy shit out here though. Look, stop playing with him. They got him cleaned up. He cleaned up, but he could use a shine detail. I had to get him right. I'm gonna have to let him know. I had this thing looking like, woo, like a 2028. Nigga, it ain't even 2028 yet. But this shit clean. Oh, this is girl shit, but his shit, you know how I go. Follow her, you know what I'm saying? AMG, that big boy. Stop playing. S63 on the AMG, you heard me? He said I go buy turbo, you heard me? V8. Yeah, alright. Well, let's walk back here and see what they got going, man. See, I was in that little cover over there. I think I'm gonna post a little video of it. But I'm out now. Let's see what we got. Boy, got cars everywhere in here, man. They do it all. Oh, here's the other pieces that I bought. The little extra fenders here. The grill I had to get because my grill didn't really go with it. Rear spoiler and the other rear spoiler. Top one and the middle one. Yep. They working on the vet. Well, let's see this hood. The hood, you feel me? Yeah. Yeah. That's that Renegade hood, but let's see. Let's look at this G. See, they took the fenders off because I got the other one, so they getting ready. You see that? Rims on dirt. That's crazy. Look how that mug poking on. That mug don't look bad like that, but nah, I gotta have a wide body. Let me see if I can see my size here. Well, you already know the size. I did put the sizes on there. 24 by 12 on there, front and back, all the way around. You see it. Big boy pipes on my shit. Yeah. That's the old fenders. Yeah, they're fucked. Now he must got the bumpers and they're getting ready for paint. Y'all see it, man. It's dusty right now. This is the works. Little things on there. Dusty. That motherfucker poking out, ain't it? $24 by 12 Armani's, man. I'm gonna have to go back and buy The little floating caps. I ain't got floating caps on there, man. Sheesh. 295, 30, 24. I think I need to go bigger, but he said I'm rubbing, but we gonna see how it, whenever I get it, how it rubbing, what it's rubbing on, you know, because it might not be bad. You know, we do custom shit. I'm gonna have to knock some shit in or something. But yeah, man, that's what it is, man. Renegade hood, 24x12s on that thing, you heard me? I had to show y'all that. Last time I came, I didn't get to show y'all because they had me in the little tent over there. My boy right here gonna get me right, huh? Oh, he in the zone. That's what it is, though, man. Self-made underscore street cars, man. This the old hood. That's the old hood right there, man. My boy in there painting. I don't know what he painting right now, but he in there getting it in. Real deal official. They do it all here, man. Oh, he painted the hood. Somebody's hood must be the hood for this. That's how they get it in, man. They got it all up in here, bro. You feel me? Self-made underscore street cars, man. I know I keep saying it because I want y'all to like, comment, share, subscribe. Check out the videos, man. There's my old grill right there. The old fender. The bumper, they already kind of got it, you know. The old bumper, I mean the new bumper. And my side skirts right there. Got me on it, you know what I'm saying? Stop playing with them. We'll be back next week sometime. You already know, man. Let's check out this vet though. I think it's wrecked up. So y'all might get to see it again. You look at this wrecked up vet. See, they do top-notch shit over here. Next time I come out here, this motherfucker might be done because these motherfuckers do not play. Even got the Lord Benz up in there. This is what they do, man. If your car messed up, collision spot, they'll get you right. That mug cleaned up. Got the Nissan. Got the Mustang over there. Let's check it out. They might let me check it out. I don't think they care. Sheesh, that was clean though. With the tents. Oh, he got that thing blacked out. Make sure I don't bust my ass on there. Damn. That mug is clean. Stop playing. Sheesh. Can we get a sneak peek in there? Oh yeah, that paint job fire. Sheesh. Right hand drive, stop playing with them. Nissan 350Z. Well, I said 350Z. Skyline, my bad, I'm tripping. Hey man, Extreme Motorsports, you know, my second home. You see Hoover right here, big Hoover right here. Big Hoover. On them orange things, blue on them orange things. Self-made underscore street cars. You already know what the fuck going on. Like, comment, share, subscribe, man. Hit the notification button too, so you can see when I drop videos. Cause I don't really drop a lot, but I about to start dropping some more videos because it's summertime, you know, we outside. And I got cars I'm trying to finish. This Jeep being one of them. I still got a box Chevy I'm trying to build. And oh, I do got a Mustang I'm trying to get too. Well, I kind of already got another Mustang. But that's just going to be a little fun car. It ain't really nothing too crazy going on with that. But, you know, I might do my little touches. But you already know what it is, man. You hear Hoover over there talking shit. About to get back on this road, man. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Again, hit the notification button, man, so y'all can get the videos when I drop. You already know. I'm outside, man. Self-made underscore street cars. Everything street cars, man. Horsepower and everything. Stay tuned. You never know what's coming up. Yee!